guys, and today we're going to be using the music tool in Scratch. It's easy to use, so let's start. First, we want to set instrument to piano. There's a lot others, and to test them out we can do this. Electric piano, here's organ. Hold on. And guitar. That doesn't sound like a guitar. And let's try the steel drum. So for now we're gonna stick to piano because that's what I know how to play. So first we're gonna drag out when green flag clicked, and you can make different beats with this. So I'm gonna make a beat where it plays 3 notes at a time. So we'll drag out 3 of these and then set instrument to piano. Now we'll drag playing note 60 for 0.25 beats, and we'll put that in each of them. And then we're going to change it for each one. For this one, we're going to need C. And this one, we're going to need E. And then G for this one. And at the beginning, instead of so it just immediately plays, we're just going to put wait 2 seconds. Let's try that. And we're gonna duplicate that. Good. Now we're gonna put wait 0.1 seconds and we'll see how that is. Good. Now we're going to duplicate it one more time. Now you could like animate the Scratch Cat to do a little yeah, we'll go into his costume. And then all the way at the bottom will leave some space so we can fly clicked. Next costume. Forever. There. So that's how you use the music tool in Scratch. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.